Before we start, I have to say I love Automatic Shoppable Images. This is a feature that helps our customers turn static images into shoppable experiences to increase their average order value. Let's take a look. As a vendor, with Automatic Shoppable Images from Amplience, I can build that experience rapidly. Okay, we start with editing the image. You select the AI assistant to detect objects. Our AI is trained on a vast catalogue of product imagery, so it knows how to detect and isolate the products within an image. From the AI assistant, you can choose to set a focal point, hotspots, or polygons on any of the products detected. Setting a focal point ensures that the most important part of your image is always in focus. Hotspots identify specific coordinates within an image, whilst polygons select an area. I'm going to use the polygons because that way if a user wants to learn more about the headboard, for example, they can click anywhere on that headboard and we won't miss out on the click. So I know the products I want to enrich are the headboard, pillow, the storage box which has come up as dresser, and the lamp. So I click away from the AI assistant drawer and here's where I can turn the static image into something interactive to enhance that shopping experience. The targets and selectors that I'm going to change here are all controlled by front-end code. As an example of what you can do, let's start off by adding a link to the product page for the headboard. To do that, I'll change the selector to .link and copy the URL into the target field. For the pillow, I want to add another link, but for this one I want it to open in a new tab, so I'll change the selector to link new and copy the URL into the target field. For the storage box, I actually want to show more product information. Maybe I want to know a description of it, I want to know what material it's made out of, the size. So I'm going to put here delivery key, and that will open a drawer containing more information, and I'll add in the specific target delivery key. For the lamp, let's add a tooltip. Change the selector to tooltip, and I'm going to type what I want to show up in that tooltip. Okay, so if we head over to the right hand side panel here where we see our preview of the experience, we can see on the headboard that there is a link to click. If we move over to the pillow, we can see that the little arrow there indicates that there is an external link to click through to. And on that storage box, we can click through for more product information which comes out in this drawer. And finally, on the lamp, we have the tooltip that we previously set. What you do to make your images interactive or shoppable is totally up to you. These are only examples, and as I mentioned earlier, it's all controlled by your front end, so you can really do anything you like to make these interactive. You need to think about what is the information that my customer is going to be asking about my products that they want to know before they're going to buy. And that's what you can enrich with Amplience Automatic Shoppable Images.